just see when I do that with the screwdriver, it is separate, but I've got to make sure they stay separate. One, two, three. There's 5 13mm bolts. I think I'll just take them off. Unbolt it. So engine is out. The torque converter. I didn't really use anything to hold it back. That just freely spins. I kept the air conditioning attached. I did have to remove the bracket. This is the engine mount bracket. So the engine mount goes through here. This little corner here gets in the way, so you have to undo this, that one, that one, that one, and that one, so that you can lift it out over it. And I just used an engine crane with, I didn't use the bar, I only used rear hook to front hook, fairly taut, and just lifted it. I had to readjust the crane slightly on different angles just to get this to lift out, but got it out. Just to keep the timing right, I'm going to do one at a time, so I'll mark this, remove these, keep the chain, say somewhere around here, attach that to the beam up there, just to keep it taut so it doesn't fall down into the hole, because I don't want to take my front cover off, because I did do that gasket recently when I changed the OSV. But with with that held off in position, I can take this head off, put the gasket on, put the head back on. I've put my cam locks on, cam lock one on. You can see got it right in there.